farmers here in Lagalaga that we are handing out 4 portable rice mill to assist you in milling your paddy. As you know, one of the issues that farmers used to face was how do they mill their rice? Where do they go? How far they go? So transportation cost was an issue, and sometimes, when they reach there and the mill is not open. So we are quite fortunate today from our side, that we are able to assist you in providing you with this 4 portable rice mill. The rice mills not only will solve the problem that you're facing, but also it will incentivize you to produce more rice, plant and supply more rice. I know farmers will raise the issue of harvesting of rice. This year we have got a bumper crop of rice in Northern Division. And I want to thank all the farmers in Northern Division for really mobilizing yourself and ensuring that we really push rice production and supply here in Northern Division. And we at the government, we are very particular about ensuring that we take control of food security. The security of food of Fijians is in the hands of Fijians themselves. We are here to facilitate, we are here to give you leverage. We kind of foresee that the crisis that we are facing in Ukraine will be maybe a bit prolonged. That will create a lot of issues in regard to food security. Availability of food products. Number 2, price. We are already facing the price hike due to the pandemic. The freight costs have gone up enormously. So we are saying the minimum we can do is to grow our own food from within Fiji. So then the issue of freight cost won't be there. If we are able to grow most of the crops, most of the food items, food products we consume in Fiji, then the issue of freight cost won't be there. So we are pretty sure that we will not have inflation of food products in Fiji because most of it we are producing from within. Now, rice was an issue. Rice was an issue. About 2 years ago, 84% of the rice was imported at a cost of $42 million. Now, we have reduced the dependency to about 80%. And I think this year's data will take our self-sufficiency to probably 22%. So from 16%, we have come to 20%, and with this year's data, we probably would be about 22 to 23%. Now, we are getting there. We want at least 60% of the rice to be produced from within Fiji. If you're able to do that, then we will be able to secure the security of one of the critical staple commodity from within Fiji. You must have heard me on media, our agriculture sector is valued at about $1.5 billion. After feeding the nation, we are exporting the surplus. 2020, $106 million. Last year, $121 million. The fresh and chilled product other than sugar. So we are growing very fast. We are busting the limits that we had set before, and we're doing extremely well. But we want to ensure that we'll continue to focus on export crops and also on crops which are very important with regard to food. Rice is one. So with regard to your issue or concern about harvesters, we have got 9 harvesters working in Banua Lewu, and because of the weather condition, we are not able to do the harvesting full time. You understand, the harvester can't go into the field. Now, because of that, farmers are panicking that, what will happen if my rice goes bad. So the thing is this, we can't do anything. We can get 20 harvesters, but the problem is we can't go onto the field to harvest because of the weather conditions. But despite that, we have got 2 harvesters from the private sector to assist us. We may be able to get 2 more. And this issue we'll be able to get under control by next week. So by next week we will be able to get entire harvesting under control. But we want to assure you that your rice won't go bad. We have programmed it well. We know which rice fields need to harvest given priority, which can wait. So we're getting there. The issue is right from Bua to here. And Malebo is facing a lot of rainfall. It's affecting our harvesting rate. But we are getting harvested from the private sector, and we are paying them the market rate of 80 rupees an hour. And you are paying the $28, we're paying the differential, but we'll get there. So congratulations to Vanuatu farmers who got to rice. I think we are doing extremely well, and I'm inviting all the other farmers engaged in other crops to get into rice production and livestock production in Vanuatu. Thank you.